Yeah, this is a robocat, and I started this project 3 years ago. It was in the summer vacation after I graduated from my PhD program. I just bought a Raspberry Pi and found that I could merge my technology tree, like on the software and hardware together, to make this little cute robot.
And was there a specific reasoning behind the cat being the first thing that you looked at, or were you just kind of, wanted something cute and tiny?
Initially, it just started with these two sensors. It looks like the big round eyes of a cat.
Okay.
And I also admire the design, the design of cat, so that they are so elegant.
So what's the business that you've built around this little cat?
Now we are building this as a STEM educational kit, so that makers can buy our kit and assemble with this beautifully designed interlocking mechanism to make the body, and then they can insert all these electronics, wire them, and upload the code. Then this cat will have the instincts just like a little kitten.
Okay. And then the company is called Petoi, and what other products are you kind of looking at in the future?
So this project, initially I called it OpenCat. So our vision is to make this more like an open source framework, so that people can design quarterback walking robot with a more affordable price. You may have known that the Boston Dynamics dogs and other large dogs, they are too expensive for other people to enjoy. Our goal is to make this framework and let more people to build it and apply some desktop applications, like walking smart speaker, like that concept.
How big is the market for something like this? Like, how many of these have you sold?
So far, we launched our crowdfunding campaign last October. So far, we have sold 1,300 kits, all shipped, and that's to more than 50 countries.
Okay. What's the hardest part about, you had this idea, you have this cool little cat, and then you sell 1,300 of them. What's the hardest part about building a business around a product like this?
Okay. Hardware company is hard. Besides the technology difficulties, like how to make this motion controlling, most hard is like finding the reliable supply chain and making the quality control. Just some very basic problems like how to decide the wood, what's the parameters of this. We found some local suppliers, they make mistakes 3 times. So every time we need to travel like 4 hours to get to their factory and bargain, negotiate with them. Yeah.
What's next for your company?
We are going to launch another model, and it's under development secretly, but it will be fancier and more like consumer product.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I look forward to seeing what you're up to next. Thanks so much for chatting with us.
Thank you.
All right, cool. Thanks.
Thanks.